beat, I might make a whole EP. I'm in the public eye, but I'm trying to make no beat. I'm hearing the demons talk when I try and go to sleep. I let you in on my thoughts, but I don't want to go too deep. I'm showing the young G's things, the oldest didn't show me. I'm getting DMs from you saying that he was peak and he got OC. All glitter ain't gold, sugar and salt, it ain't what it seems. If you weren't there when they were asleep, then you was a part of the dream. I could have been laid up with shorty, fucking the grind more important. Told her I'm in the street all night, whole tower, reply in the morning. I'ma buy that drip times 2 for all of the times I couldn't afford it. All of the times I came out in rhymes, man that I couldn't record it. Sex, money, drugs, I need it free. The life that I live 3D, the shit that you see on TV. I say that I live my movie, I might make a DVD. The shit that we see daily, we see on BBC. Next I sold your dream, but baby you should've bought it. It's not my fault, you got feelings that you should have caught. When I had no whip, she would've ignored. She gonna get wet when I finish sport. It's too late though, you should have afforded the gift that I got from God's not door. Part of the dream, success, not greed, obsessed with progress. I've been rock bottom, you don't wanna. Where I'm from, no hope. When they can't cope, they turn to dope. Where I'm from, you learn to trap before you're allowed to smoke. I could have been laid up with shorty, fucking the grind more important. Told her I'm in the street all night, whole tower, replying in the morning. I'ma buy that drip times 2 for all of the times I couldn't afford it. All of the times I came out in rhymes, man that I couldn't afford it. Sex, money, drugs, I need all free. The life that I live 3D, the shit that you see on TV. I say that I live my movie, I might make a DVD. The shit that we see daily, we see on BBC. We step into vandals, make ourselves at home. I was young trying to do my thing every day, saying flip, you could tell I was cool. It's funny how they used to air. I disappeared out of bed in my phone. My ex, she didn't believe in me. Remember I said I would blow. Then one for the L's we took. The wins when I feel so righteous. Family ties like that, it's only the family know outside. Remember the times my hood was at one, his partner we all divided. Whatever the weather we get up and grind. We're grinding whatever the climate. I'm young, I'm business minded. Treat this shit like the track and flow. First whip was a bottle, after next one need a mental flow. Now that I'm up, they forget I'm human. At times I still go low. I'll sell everything that you can in a track, I'll spell or sell my soul. Love to the road, I'll do what it takes. I'm feeling outnumbered, there's too much gates. I've got paranoia, there's too much jates. I'm not going through this again. We felt too much pain to settle for fame. I want the whole estate. Shoebox money, the door is.
Zaseka janja.
I'm not in the mood cause my flight delayed. So I jumped on a private jet and I'm asking a pilot the ETA. Lambo parked on a landing strip, everyone in my gang, I'm a DJ paid. Wise man, I'm talking about inshallah, these guys, they don't even pray. But I'm not in the mood cause my flight delayed. What am I getting? I pull up with a friend, kill on my niggas and play on my minutes and step in this club, I don't want to. That's a nigga, spin them lights cause I'm catching niggas. I ain't never been no shaky nigga. I was really in the club, my nigga, put on my chest. Plus one, but know what you for. When I'm taking this tour, you can get trying to get fucked in this pool. Wait, this ain't a game, but I'm watching in the war. I say with killers and killers and shooters. I say with killers and killers and shooters. Wait, cause I rap without bullshit. I'm just fucking, I'm putting them music. I'm saying chatting with killers and shooters. Raining, falling, I think my killers is calling. I'm balling up in the falling. I'm not in the mood cause my flight delayed. So I jumped on a private jet and I'm asking a pilot the ETA. Lambo parked on a landing strip, everyone in my gang, I'm a DJ paid. Wise man, I'm talking about inshallah, these guys, they don't even pray. But I'm not in the mood cause my flight delayed. I pull up and do it, Yo, she too intrusive. She wanna know all of my business, where am I going and what am I doing? London City, I'm cooking a screw face, couple and can't stop screwing. We got two and I can't keep doing me in Algeria and Joe keeps winning. She can't stop screaming. I don't want nothing to do with just okay, so hello everyone. Hope you're doing well today. Right now we're having in that setup, but I think I shared it some time back, and in my observation, I've taken out some few things here. I've taken out the Asian lows, some liquidity there, and we're expecting to at least take in some entries, okay? And for the setup, I actually shared it sometime today, sometime back, and people got in some few pips, but I don't know if we should actually make it now. Because for me, I don't normally give out those profits. I normally don't go for it. I usually want us to have in those entries which could give us some good pips, and we're still in this observation of gold, which is actually okay. So what are we having today on gold here? Let's first make up let's first go through some pairs here. We see if we actually having some entries. Actually, I'm observing GBP/USD here, and I'm going to give you some zones that you should actually mark. Some zones that will make sense. Okay, so everyone now on YouTube here, you're going to mark up this zone on GBP/USD. We are in this swing sale that we talked about, but right now let's talk about this swinging, this scalping part. And we shall actually waiting for some buys here. Let me mark for you the zone so that even if we are off here, you actually buy from this zone here. Actually, many setups or many entries actually move even when we are off live here, because for us our main target is to mark the zones. I saw someone commenting on some video I put on YouTube Shorts and TikTok Shorts yesterday. I was waiting for market to reach some level, then I sell. Actually, I was actually very happy that someone commented on that same TikTok video that that's the last video actually. You could check on it. That's someone who actually commented on it. Yeah, he waited for that sale. That sale zone was actually from yesterday, and I was waiting for market to tap that zone. It was 5. Was it 50? Let me see. Like 50 44, something like that. And market didn't do that yesterday, but today on the same zone it came, retested the same zones, and it actually reacted in very well. And I had someone who already said that he said, yeah, he said, do you know that it activated the setup today? Yeah, and it actually moved in like 300 pips after that move. So for GBP/USD, you could take in those screenshots. We can have in something that will make sense there. Then let's look at another pair here. Which other pairs? People on YouTube, you could actually comment some pairs that I could actually look at. For GBP/USD, it's actually buying, but you can have in those entries if it actually comes back to this same level. If it doesn't, I don't see you entering this pair. You just chill it. Just know that it has already left you. So people on YouTube, could you please comment in some other pairs here? Pairs that we can actually look at before we concentrate on gold. Actually, this market has been challenging.
This market has been challenging. It has been challenging. It has been challenging. It's very heavy. Once you put in big lot sizes and you tend to hold, you're getting issues. Oh, I'm not seeing anyone commenting about BTC USD, but on my observation here, let me tell you something. Let's buy Bitcoin. Let's buy Bitcoin where it is right now. So you people are missing, you're missing a lot. Yeah, according to my analysis, remember I use a lot of things to actually observe these trades. I'm seeing in some buys of Bitcoin right now where the market is. So I already be having in my analysis made in my phones here and what in my gadgets. So once I look at the market, I just tell you this market is going to do this and this, and we shall target this Asian high. We shall target in that Asian high. Should also focus on maybe this 30-minute FVG thing. It can actually come back to this same level, but you could actually enter in from where the market is right now. The rest, we call the rest history. Let's call the rest history. Let's buy BTC. Also, we are buying gold. We are buying gold. We are buying Bitcoin. I'm actually placing in some Bitcoin trades here. Let me see if they've triggered them in. Yeah. I've put in some BTC trades and you could see it is reacting well. It's reacting well. That's why I told you should comment in some pairs down there so that I could pass through them, give you some advice about them. Now, when I look at GBP card, these are actually these pairs. I'm just looking them at my own. Do you have anyone on YouTube who trades GBP card? Do you have anyone who trades it? Do you have anyone who trades GBP card? GBP card is going to sell. It has already started. It's just coming back to retest. I don't know if you have anyone who trades it. BTC, you buy BTC. Now, someone has commented about US oil. Okay. Now, for US oil, I'm seeing in a buy also. Let me show you the level I want that buy to happen. But it's kind of risky. You know, when a pair is risky, I tell you in advance that yes, I'm seeing this and this, but yeah, at this level, depending on my strategy here, we want us to have in buys there. But remember, US oil has also bought. It has also bought in March. Okay, so you should have that into consideration. You should have it into consideration. I'm actually looking for the broker that I've made analysis on. FX. What's that one? Is it? I don't think it is this one. I don't know if it's this one, but I've had in some they're actually approaching my level that I've drawn here on my phone. Actually approaching it at this level here. So this one, don't actually risk in a lot, okay? But I want us to buy this US oil from this point. Could also take in some screenshots as I head to another pair. Today I want to give you more pairs so that everyone who trades this pair actually could have in could enter in, and your targets would be you could target in this London high, okay? Target it, and also you should also be in consideration, or you should know that sometimes markets look for this money here. Are you seeing these Asian lows here? Sometimes they first come for them before market what buys, okay? So put that in your mind. If you have a smaller account, if your account is actually small, you could try to enter in from here. But also US oil, I will show it to you later on if we've actually made in profits of it. But the spreads are big for US oil. I don't know if maybe I was in a small time frame. See some big spreads. You could actually see in most cases when I give in when I tell you something, maybe when I tell you an entry level, you'll find it that RA is having, when market comes to those zones, RA is having that rejection. Just know I don't just come from air to give out these setups. Never. I do a lot of research and analysis. Let's now run to another pair. Which other pair could we look at? It's also reacting. It's reacting. It's reacting. That is actually giving in some small amounts. Then let's look for our gold where we made in analysis. I actually shared in, but I don't know. Today gold is just there. I gave out this analysis in my Telegram group, which is Triple Forex Academy, and I think you people bought in that setup. So this setup is actually moving in, trying to give in some small amounts, but it's actually boring. It's not moving in that way, that in a way like someone wants it to move, but it's moving. US oil is in profits. Gold is moving in well, US oil is moving in well. BTC, of course, is having in that small pullback. Let me now look at another pair that we could actually look at. CAD JPY is still running down a little bit. DXY is moving down. And another thing I told you about gold. Actually, gold can give in someone who has in little capital. Like it can give you some good amounts. If it gives you some amount, you could actually chill it. You could actually take it as you know. It's easy for gold to move 100 pips. Just a few seconds, it could have moved 100 pips. Yeah, when I look at other pairs here, like the Euro Euro NZ, do you guys trade those pairs? That pair is actually selling in more. I don't know if you people trade it. Do you trade that pair? Do you trade you know? Mm. Yeah, I'm having in Abdul Hussein. He said, Mr. Stuart, check gold. It was retesting, but now it's flying. Of course, gold has to make it, but remember, it doesn't take us all. It takes a few. It takes a few. It takes a few. It takes a few. But I wonder why few people always come into these live sessions in the evening. Do you guys be that busy? I don't know. Do you guys be that busy or you be at your jobs? Hmm? I think this is the US oil I wanted before, but we want that one that we made analysis from. Yeah, it is actually reacting in. It had given me something like 2000 USD and not 6.6. But for gold is moving. Gold has given me over 55K on each position. That gold, I shared it straight away in the group. People who are in my group, you actually saw that I shared it out and it's moving. So this is what it is doing right now. And yeah, moving in some profits. This one I gave it out in my group, man, and it's moving. It's moving. I give it out in the group. Paka ubundi stand yali wali kameza. Is it a stand? Is it a what? Gimbal. So for it is moving. It's actually doing it well. I'll put in some music. We enjoy it moving as we enjoy the profits. It has moved in some few pips right now. Gimbal. It comes once. It has moved in like 140 pips. And I believe it will move in. I'm not so good at using this stuff. Oh. Actually, I hate using in big computers, but even this small one is also disturbing me. So. Yeah. I think I'll leave it like that. How much are we floating in? If you check on your screens, check on the entries that you took, then you will see how much you're floating in.
I want to see one grateful God, but I don't want to be here. I've got some things to get off my chest, but maybe it's best I keep it a secret. 31st December, the 1st of Jan, same shit, I don't care about the new year. If you have somewhere that ain't probably enduring this mud in the place that I'm doing. I don't want to see one grateful God, but I don't want to be here. I've got some things to get off my chest, but maybe it's best I keep it a secret. 31st December, the 1st of Jan, same shit, I don't care about the new year. If you have somewhere that ain't probably enduring this mud in the place that I'm doing. Ask them not.
So, we'll be trading live on our YouTube channel every single day, and I also give in those setups in my Telegram channel, and the link is in the bio.
Nowadays when I wanna go post, I'm using my lyrics to help me cope. I got my pen and I'm writing notes, should I give you the reason I lost no hope? If I felt so alone and cold, no one around, it's a lonely road. I should have known you were ready to go, you're not even there when I need you most. Bro came home in a week, reoffended, they made him bust, no rehabilitation. Top tuned into the radio station, BBC got me on rotation. Ops up cold, they need donations, starting a full pagan foundation. Gang unit made an operation, Jake's when I block in the big house station. Now I'm putting my all in the music, go find God that made it hard. Been through a lot, I was ready to lose it. As a school, just staring large. I dropped no sleep and they said it was hard. Straight for the day that I make it far. When I hit my target, sound like drop. When I got down now, the star, I'm on my way up to becoming a star. I don't care about Casa, I'm in the booth and make these hits. When I spit no CAPs, no phone. Why did I whale up quick? Think from east when I shoot a shot. See by the way that he likes my pics. Broski really thinks I'm famous. I'm a star at talking fit. My eyes are red cause the sleepless nights. Ground won't stop till I'm up at the top. Get no days off, no peace of mind. Ain't far from my past, but not my prime. Nowadays,
Actually, gold is moving in well. That's what I can tell you. We have in US oil is also trying to move in well. And also BTC, as I told you, it will first drop a little bit. Yeah.
You say LA, this London City, I don't know nothing about floods and crips, but I must admit that we still got hits. Where American man come here and get lit. Alright, diamonds epileptic pick. EVs on the next list, I'm selective with who I get with. Tell on my phone, trying to see who I see with. Getting so hot, it's fake. I change up my spot, no Nelly. OT and the big step begging, I just got a tenner and fucking pennies. They're gold in my mouth like Melly, I got their hoes, don't trust in any. Cuz got away from my high speed chase and duck them chasing the fucking heli.
You know, I just gotta keep working, you know. I've had a couple of people try and knock me down, but I stay true to myself and I keep my heart. You know, I never really let these things get to me because at the end of the day, I don't want people to do what I'm able to achieve. There's a lot of people that said I'm going to make it, but that wasn't true to me myself felt. I've always said if you put 100% into everything you want to do, you succeed 100% of the time. I just really want to be proof.
Someone on YouTube here called Julius Mugarula asked a question. What time is the evening session? Right now we're in the New York session. Someone also asked, should we overhold gold? That will depend on how much you've made. If you feel like you've made enough, you could actually secure and go home. And you people on YouTube, we were very lucky today that it actually this setup started when we are viewing it, when we are seeing it. It has actually started when we were seeing it, but I had shared it in my VIP. Then after sharing it in my VIP, I also shared it for you. To actually trade with me. That setup. And it's now moving. Okay, there are positions which are even running in 200 pips of profits. Man, 240 pips of profits. Yes, no. Just someone to see at night, someone I speak to from time to time. If they ever needed me back then, you just in my life. 250 pips. Now, for me, for actually having this 250 pips in you don't know how much I can make when they're in my favor, huh? Because now lot one, how much lot one will be giving me? Lot one will be giving me so far 2,500 USD. So usually if I have in lot 3 right now, I'll be floating in 7,500 USD, something like that. And if I hold it to the maximum, I don't know how much I could actually make from that. But I shared it early. Actually shared it early, and bro, it's moving in. I shared it in the group, we will check. Actually, I shared it early enough. I told you should observe it to make in some sense. Right now it's moving. Just know if it's up and stuck. We drop that tape, I'm going again through the locks. Only wanna love is stuff it, man. Hold on the cup, foaming the gloves, I'm foaming the values, what one know was us. I can make stretchers come, work rate next to none. Gang got a right selection, with a specific one. Don't tell me the mission's done, if they ain't missing done. Tryna do it like Broski done it, that was 101. Up rock Diddy, gal want Willie, sure you got a bust down. Chillers, rappers and rappers, you take me. Those 4 doors and the packers, I was up sharp with Tilly, I was Tilly. One of them rappers, actors, brown man down and my rock down covers. He came with a done with fist, with a done with a fist, with a done with covers. With a done with a 4-4-2, that's tactics. That was swimming tunes, I did it, you that rappers. That box of the 4-4-3. It's actually moving in. Right now it has moved over how many pips are these from the entry that I gave out. So far 200 pips, something like 200. And in most cases, those pips are always enough for someone. Most especially scalpers, what and what. That money is always good for us or good for you. Someone is asking, have you subscribed to your trading view? I have like 3 trading views, but some are subscribed, others are not. Now this one is not. It's not. I've ever seen some meme on what? On TikTok, but it was funny on my end. Someone said that a trader can actually go buy a German machine or a car at let's say 35 USD, 35k USD, and he can't actually subscribe to a trading view of 20 USD where that money is made. It was actually funny to me, but they say the truth actually. You find someone driving a car of 70k USD, but he can't actually subscribe to a trading view of $20. Hey, traders. What is actually moving in well? Okay, people sharing my YouTube. Thank you guys. I'm seeing you sharing my lives on YouTube. I think that gives me more energy to trade with you. It gives me more energy to trade with you. I actually drop in these signals every single day and setups, and also this free Telegram, these free YouTube lives. We do them every single day. Yeah, I'm having in people. I appreciate someone, Josic Bro. The name is kind of hard. He said, big up. He said, I appreciate your work, Sir Stuart. Thank you so much. Yeah, you're welcome, bro. I told you we need to grow together as a community. So I share this in that Telegram channel. You could check the time. And also on my WhatsApps everywhere. Actually, when I give out setup, I actually share it everywhere. I share it everywhere so that we all benefit as a community. So when you check on that setup, I actually shared it here in my groups. I shared it in my groups here. You could check. Let me show you. Let me show you. I shared it in my telegrams here. You could see. Shared it in here. In time actually. You could say I shared it at 1:25. Right now it is I shared it 1 hour ago. So you could tap that link in the bio to join my trading community. I shared it 1 hour ago, and it has actually pushed in some good pips right now.
Now you know how to protect your wallet and look for your love from emergency scams.
God has actually made it. But you know things are funny. You be buying your gold, then a friend of yours sends you that is going to sell a gold, man. You'll be like, Mr. Kim Sebo. Kapresha Chikaya. Hey, those pairs, Sinyangu. Someone said they entered BTC Neka pressure. Hey, trading is not an easy thing. It's not an easy come and go gundi. Chebi akufuna bufunyi sente n'odduka. Someone said, which broker do I use? The link in the bio is in the bio. You could tap in this link tree that I actually have. And this link tree, you'll actually see my YouTube. You could subscribe to it. My Telegram channel is there. You could actually join my WhatsApp free community. You could actually trade with my broker. The broker is there. Trade with my broker. It's there. And very soon I'll start in copy trading because a lot of people have been asking for copy trading. But I actually needing people with I don't know how much money we shall start with. But so are we still buying gold? You could see the setup is there and it's a buy.
I told her my name is Sim, she said no, the one on your bus. I take her down for that diamond test, but it wasn't the channel. She Turkish strictly, but I can't Brazilian. I want her, bro, what's that for you? I'm cheap, so a chick like yo, can I borrow your Netflix? She a feminist, she think I'm sexist, twisting my words, I'm pushing dyslexic, give me my space, I'm intergalactic. Before I give you my Insta password, I'll give you the pin to my address. Gracious, look persuasive, books at the number, you're suspicious. So much on time on this, some dollars, do it out when you shake it. She would get it out of my house, I'm lying. She would got this right now, one right. She would more time, bros, keep rolling with it. The man them too, they consider it fast, the hotel smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with vinegar. She got fit, but she wanna get thin again, drinking apple cider.
People have told me, people actually on my live here, someone has made, oh my god, someone said, sent me this message here. Those last two positions, the first one I had put a small day sale, then I entered again, and I made over 800. Asante sana. Bro, people have actually made in money. People actually making money in these live trading sessions. People have actually made it money, bro. Man, people making money. This actually gives me more encouragement. More what? It's more encouraging. Toys brings me back to do these lives every single day. Every day. Because actually people are making in money from these lives.
Because you're fine as hell and I like your style, that's why I like that. When I'm pissed, I'm still Jones, I might not tell my life is life. But just wait for the devil to come back. When I control me, I'm happy black. You don't control me, you know.
Having some comments here, bro. I've cashed in some money if I'd put in multiple gold buys. Thanks a lot. That's nice. That's nice. People have made money from these lives. That actually gives them. And if you feel like you've made in some kamana, you can quit, you can close. We have gotten like over 200 pips. Those pips are very good. They are good. Someone could actually secure that. I'm having someone who sent me a DM that he made over 800 USD month from only this stuff here. 800 USD, that's 3M, bro. But actually be in here for like 1 hour, then I think I'm remaining with like 15 minutes, and I will call it a day. So with anyone with a question, you could actually ask me that question before I close up. I told you every single trading day we have to be here. We have to trade together. And yeah. Also, people here, you could actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is in the bio, or maybe the username STUARTFX Reaper. We'll be having in these live trading sessions every single day. And maybe sometimes if I'm not ready to come on live, if I'm busy, I share those setups in my Telegram channel in the first place. Then we also come live, we trade as well. Who have actually missed, you could actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm only remaining with 1,400 people to make 5K, so you guys can make it happen. Ali Breezy, you asked that you're new, how can you start? Tap the link in the bio, and you could also send me a WhatsApp message. My number is there if you want to know anything about forex trading. Yeah, guys, as I was telling you, I'm remaining with only 1,400 people to make it 5K. So you could subscribe to that channel.
I told them that it would turn out like this. All they had to do was wait. I said that my heart turned ice. They surely learn to speak. Broke the ice and got in my heart. Show for the love, I still got faith. Are you living or existing? My life changed when I see the difference. Opportunist. If I see a chance, I'm there in an instant.
Now I'm seeing in some changes, some change of characters somewhere. You could actually secure in some positions because might see in some retracements.
I know there's plenty of fish in the sea, but I thought those girls got you, my man. When you fuck those guys, they invested in me. Turn them around and I put them in dookie. I don't even fuck them in missionary. No intimacy and additionally, it's a player to me when I fuck that offer. I don't even think what's successful. I don't even know why.
Yeah.
As soon as I finish, I'm putting them drop them. And what makes it worse, I know that she's telling her friends I've chopped them. I don't know what I'm doing, but when I'm together, it's shouting me mad because I can't even stop them. Tapping your bank details and setting your bank on rich and bitch. I'm not me, make you quickly do that properly. If you won't give me my number.
So guys, I think that's it for today. And don't forget that we'll be having in those live sessions every single day on my YouTube channel. And you could please subscribe to that YouTube channel so that we could go together as a community. So for The broker that I use, the link is in the bio. You could join in. And I think very soon I'm starting in physical sessions for you. I've caught in some sale and it's in blues here. And I don't know if someone could ask me the reason why I've caught in these sales here. I actually having moving averages. I don't know if you people could see very well. I'm having in moving averages, which I use as the BTMM concept, and I could actually see that markets will change. That's why I told you close gold, and I caught in the sales right now, which are in profits. I'm in 50 pips of profits. I got them from 50.17, and I feel, or I know it can actually, if it doesn't buy the way I wanted it to buy, it would actually just now drop in with some pips. Yeah. So waiting in for how many to close YouTube for some few minutes. What we have made today is enough. Those people who joined in early enough, you actually made in some money. I'm having in someone day done. He said, let me tell my guys to also subscribe. We make it that little we can do for you now. Yeah, thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Day. I think you're a Sudanese because those are your names. I don't know if you are. Yeah, you could subscribe to the channel. So when it grows more, then it actually makes more sense. But I think what in my observation, there's something I've actually observed. Do you know that a lot of traders trade in the London session than the New York session? More so African traders. I don't know if you people have observed. I don't know. Maybe in the evening people be having in a lot of work to do. Someone has asked me that what is the minimum equity to start trading. 10 USD is the minimum equity. Well, you can have in 10 USD and come and look for some money some money from these markets. Now, for US oil is doing good. US oil is not doing that good, but at least it is, it is in the zone, because I'm in some few profits of 2000 USD. It is there on the zone, so you never know by the evening how it will actually react. But for gold has done good today. It has given us 200 pips. When we are buying. And for other signals, I think I won't give them out now, because it's not good to add in too much salt in sauce. So I think 40 times 5, 40 times 5, 200. Okay. US oil is in the buying position right now. You could actually check it out on my YouTube before you close the YouTube. Check it out. Put in some positions. Hold. Hold. And you know me on US oil, I'm always good on at US oil. And that's not showing off. uh, uh, and when you look close, when you look at this XAUUSD, okay, the truth is we want to buy it, we want to do what and what, but when you look close, bro, there is a lot of liquidity down there that those people have to come and pick. Yes, we are having in these buys, these scalps, what and what, but when you look closer, these guys can drop down. But that's it for today. My people on YouTube, thanks for actually coming in. You could actually share in that. You could actually share in my channel to your friends, so that we could grow together as a community. I think that makes more sense, because I think I've gotten some subscribers actually the moment we actually started. You've supported me. We started when I had in like 2,800 subscribers, something like that. And when I minus it, 2008, did I even have 800? I don't know. Yeah, something like that. And so far, I'm close to 1K people who have actually subscribed, remaining in some few people. So it means people actually appreciating a lot of the work that I actually do here, and that gives me more encouragement. Yeah, it encourages me more to be here for this one hour that I actually be here. It's not an easy thing to do. It's not an easy task to do on a daily basis, but actually try. For gold, my people, you should put in some break evens. If you still want to hold the buys, having those break evens, if you really want to hold it, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to be subscribed. So please, whoever they know. Now, you go and see that TikTok.